Hi, how's it going, class? Today we're going to be talking about the measures of variation. Meaning, I'm basically going to tell you how to use a standard deviation or how to find it. Okay, so the first thing, of course, you need a data. So today I'm basically just going to use, let's say, the standard 1 through 10. So it's going to be really easy. So I'm going to write the numbers down real quick. Would you just give me 1 second, please? Okay, so as you can see, all I did was just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just going to use that regular data for now because it's really plain and simple. Alright, so the first step in order to find the standard deviation, you need to find the mean. The mean is also known as the average, meaning I'm going to have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so forth. Okay, so 1 plus 2, you get 3, plus 3, you get 6, 6 plus 4, we're going to get 10, then you add 5, you get 15, then 15 plus 6, it equals 21, then 21 plus 7 equals 28, then 28 plus 8 equals 36, then 36 plus 9 equals 45. And last but not least, 45 plus 10 equals 55. So right here I did all the work really fast. Basically, so the total number would be 55. However, of course, in order to find the average, also known as the mean, we're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to do 55 divided by 10. 55 divided by 10 is 5.5. Okay, so now we have the average, meaning that the average of all this data, it's 5.5. All right, so now in order to find the standard deviation of of the numbers, what you would do is you would do 5.5 minus 1. 5.5 minus 1 would be 4.5. Then we would square that. Sorry, let me just get a calculator really fast. Okay. 4.5 times 4.5. Okay, and then we would get, we're going to get 20.25, right? Then you would have to do that for every single number, meaning you would have to do 5.5 minus 3, and that's 2.5. 2.5 times 2.5, 6.25, and I'm gonna do this all really fast, but you guys get the thing. All you have to do is find the mean minus the number that you have, and then you square it. All right, so then I'm going to do this was actually 3.5. This number is supposed to be 12.25. Then 0.5 times 2.5, then you get 6. 1.5. 5 is 2.25. Then 0.5 squared. It's going to be 0.25. And you're going to do 0.5 squared again, basically. We're going to get another 0.25. Okay, and then you do negative 1.5, which is, you're still going to get a positive. And you also get 2.25. And then, sort of last track here. I was on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another one, 8. 2.5 times 2.5 again, that's 6.25, and then 5.5 minus 9, 3.5 times 3.5, 12.25. Sorry, it's a really long process. And then I'm going to do 5.5 minus 10. 4.5 times 4.5. And another 20. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add all of these numbers up again. I'm going to add all these numbers one more time. Sorry. You're going to add them all up, and then you're going to divide it by the number that you have, which is a total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically, you're finding out the mean, once again, of these new numbers. I'm going to do that really fast. 25. All right, so then after adding all of these, I'm going to get a total of 102.75. Now, what I'm going to do is, like I told you, you divide all of that by 10. Divide that by 10, and then you get 10.275. Then, what you have to do is you find the square root of that. And the square root of that is, sorry, give me 1 second. Square root of that is actually 3.20. Okay, with that number, that right there, you're still